Morning whispers fill the sky. First light paints the world in gold. Silent waters hold their breath, like a secret not yet told. At Molenplas, dawn awakens, mist still dancing soft and slow. Every ripple catches fire in the hush before we go. The world goes still, time stands still. Golden color starts to rise. Every reed leans toward the shore and opens up the sky. Molenplas at sunrise, gold on the water. Molenplas at sunrise, everything's softer. Birds in the blue, waiting for you. Molenplas at sunrise, I'm waking too. Gentle breeze across the reeds brushes through the sleeping trees. A heron waits beside the shore, head low in the morning breeze. Flying low above the lake, seeing sunlight touch the stream. Every corner tells a tale, like a never-ending dream. The world goes still, time stands still. Golden color starts to rise. Every step along the bank feels lighter in the eyes. Molenplas at sunrise, gold on the water. Molenplas at sunrise, everything's softer. Birds in the blue, waiting for you. Molenplas at sunrise, I'm waking too. Boots on the path, cold grass underfoot. Dew on the fence and the day looks good. A cyclist rolls by quiet and slow, nods like he knows what the stillness knows. Kingfisher flash by the silver edge, quick as a thought gone over the reeds. Tiny rings spread where the fish have been, and the whole lake turns like a living thing. The world goes still, time stands still. Golden color starts to rise. Every branch and every blade is lit from deep inside. Molenplas at sunrise, gold on the water. Molenplas at sunrise, everything's softer. Birds in the blue, waiting for you. Molenplas at sunrise, I'm waking too. On the wooden bridge, I slow my pace. Watch the light move across your face. You don't even have to say a word. The morning says it first unheard. Clouds drift high like painted sails, blue and amber in the air. Every breath feels borrowed from a world that wants us there. Golden skies keep opening, slowly pulling me along. Every shadow falls away. Every fear grows small and gone. Water mirrors heaven's fire, then it gives it back to me. In this quiet place of wonder, I can finally breathe. Oh, has gone away, and every fight above the lake, every ripple, every gleam brings me back to Molenplas and back into the dream.